everyone, in today's video I wanted to show you one of the latest social media apps called Triller. And this app is very similar to TikTok if you've used an app called TikTok before, where you could basically create short format videos. And at the time of this recording, it has over 40 million downloads here. So you got a bunch of filters available in it. You could edit your videos right inside of it. And let's look at how to use it from scratch here. So let's jump into the App Store. It's available for iOS and Android, Triller. This is the app here, and you could go ahead and download it for the first time, and I'll show you how to get started on it. So when you open the app, you could, without signing up, go ahead and browse. So to browse different videos, you just have to go ahead and scroll up. I'm just using my finger to scroll up, and you could scroll down to go backwards. And when you're on top, and if you scroll, it will refresh the page for you. And that's when you're under the community tab. Under following, you'll have to be signed in, and you'll have to favor people that you're following here to see what's going on there. Let me go back to community here. So that's what's going on top. If I press the icon here on the top right, same thing, I'll have to sign in. So let's go ahead and sign in before I show you any more here. So I could either sign in using the following tab or the profile icon on the bottom here. I'll press sign up right here. And you could use Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, phone number, or email to sign in. I'm gonna go ahead and use my phone number in this case. I'll go ahead and verify here. And now you have to choose a username. So I'll choose Howfinity, my YouTube channel here, and save the username. And now I have a profile. So as always on profile pages, you could go ahead and edit your profile and type in your name, email, Instagram username, everything that you want to have connected to this. You could always make your account private as well. So if you check that on, no one could find you. It will make a private account. And if you make a private account, people can't see your videos without your permission. I'm gonna make a public account here, and I'm gonna press done. So let me cancel out of this page. That's the page where you could add all your profile items. So go ahead and do that. Let me X out of this page as well. And now on this page, I could go to the following tab, and it's gonna show me if I connect to Facebook, make some suggestions, or I could see who's recommended for me here. I could go ahead and follow a couple people. Let me go ahead and follow about 3-4 people that is recommending for me to follow. And now if I go to following, let me refresh here. Now I could see their videos just like I would see it under the community tab, but specific to my following. On the left of that, you have add friends here, so you could find friends and add them here. Again, it's gonna show you some recommendations. I'm gonna X out of here. And then the icon, that's the logo of the app. If you press that, it will take you to direct messages. So if you're used to Instagram, for example, this is similar to Instagram DM here, where you could use that icon. And now let's look at the menu on the bottom. You have your home page. That's gonna take you over here to following or community. That's the home page right there. Then you have search, where you could search for different people or different categories. So if you wanted just comedy, for example, instead of dance, you could see who's trending on the comedy. So I could basically go and follow this person, for example. It's pretty straightforward as far as getting around here goes. So let me X out of that. Then under the bottom, before I get to the plus, you have your activity here, where it's gonna show you your activity under the bell icon, and then the profile I showed you already. So now let's get to the plus sign and show you how to create a video. So you could start with creating music videos or vlogs, depending on what you wanna do. So let me just choose music video here. And now we want to choose a song, and then we'll record a video to that song. So you could again use the trending tab here on top, or what's on the bottom here. Let me go ahead and use the trending tab. So you could go ahead and press play on the left side to hear it, or you could just press on the text here to choose that song. Now here we could change the duration. So as long as you want here, up to 30 seconds, or you could choose 15 seconds, for example, similar to Instagram stories here. You could choose which part of the song you want to choose. I'm just scrubbing through the audio waveform here. And then you could just press film on the top right. If I press film, it's gonna ask me to get access to my camera. And now let me show you this page. Let me just put this down here. So you've chosen a song. You could always press your photo library here and give it access to your photos as well to add things from there. So now all you will have to do is press the camera star right here. If you press that, it's gonna give you a countdown and it's gonna start recording. So right now it's actually recording my video. So if I pick up my camera, it's recording what I'm pointing at. And I have to record for 15 seconds here. I could always zoom in and out as well on the bottom. And the video has been added. So now on the right side, you could flip your camera, you could turn off flash, you could add filters, you could change the speed here, and I'm sure they're gonna add more and more to it. And if you press shuffle there, it's gonna basically help you edit your video for you. So if you have multiple clips recorded, so if I was to record another clip here, when you press shuffle, it's gonna basically automatically edit your videos, or you could do it yourself on the bottom here and press finish. Now press play here, and there's your video. So you could go ahead and put a description like you would on any other social media platform. Choose a category, so depending on what kind of videos you made, again, they're gonna add to this all the time, they already have. So let's say this was just lifestyle, for example, you could choose that. Set to private, you could turn that on if you want to, and you could always tag your location here by giving it access to your location. And once you're all said and done, go ahead and post and save the video just right on the top. And you could go ahead and download or share it on other social media platforms here. And as you can see on the bottom, it's gonna give you a progress bar to when your video is complete. I'm gonna press done here. And now if I jump into my profile, that's gonna show up as a project and people could view it at any time. So that's how you use this social media platform called Triller. Make sure you subscribe. I'll post more videos on this platform as well as other ones like TikTok and Instagram every single day of the week. And I hope to catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching this one.